Hey everyone, it's Cal Wayne. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and getting into the festive spirit. The festive season is here. The streets are lit up with beautiful lights and there's a magical feeling in the air. It's truly the most wonderful time of the year. That magical time of year filled with family, friends, and of course, tons of delicious food. From hearty dinners to sweet treats, there's no shortage of indulgence. We all look forward to the holiday season, but sometimes those delicious meals can leave us feeling a little sluggish and guilty come January. It's easy to overeat and feel the consequences later. But don't worry, this year's going to be different. I've got some great tips to help you enjoy the holidays without any of the guilt. I'm here to help you enjoy all the holiday festivities without sacrificing your health or starting the new year with regrets. You can still have fun and stay on track with your wellness goals. In this video, I'm sharing 10 simple practical tips to help you stay healthy and avoid that dreaded holiday weight gain. These tips are easy to follow and can make a big difference. So grab your favorite holiday drink, get comfy, and let's dive right in. Whether it's a hot cocoa, a spiced latte, or a festive tea, make sure you're cozy and ready to learn how to make this holiday season the best one yet. We'll cover everything from mindful eating to staying active, and even how to manage stress during this busy time. So stay tuned, and let's make this festive season a healthy and happy one. Tip number 1 is all about being present and mindful about what we're eating. Mindful eating is a practice that encourages us to slow down and truly appreciate our meals. Instead of inhaling your food, let's actually savor each bite. Take a moment to notice the colors, the aromas, and the presentation of your meal. Slow down, chew your food thoroughly, and pay attention to the flavors and textures. Each bite is an opportunity to experience something delightful. Mindful eating isn't just about enjoying your food more, although that's a major bonus. It's also about connecting with the people around you and the food you are consuming. It's about giving your body time to register what you're eating. When we eat too quickly, we often miss the signals our body sends us. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to signal to your stomach that you're full. By eating slowly, we allow our body to catch up and prevent overeating. So this holiday season, let's make a conscious effort to slow down and really be present with our food. Enjoy the company of your loved ones and the festive atmosphere. Put your fork down between bites, engage in conversation with your loved ones, and truly appreciate the flavors of the season. This simple practice can transform your meals into a more enjoyable and fulfilling experience. Remember, the holidays are a time to celebrate and connect. By practicing mindful eating, we can make our meals more meaningful and memorable. So let's cherish each moment, each bite, and each conversation. Happy holidays and happy mindful eating. Tip number 2 is one of the simplest yet most effective things you can do for your health: staying hydrated. Often, our bodies confuse thirst for hunger. It's easy to get dehydrated during the holidays with all the running around and socializing. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for curbing cravings, keeping energy levels up, and supporting digestion. Start your day with a large glass of water and try having a glass before each meal. Trust me, staying properly hydrated can make a world of difference in how you feel, especially during the festive season. For tip number 3, we're getting strategic in the kitchen. The holidays are a time for indulgence, but that doesn't mean you have to completely abandon your healthy habits. You don't need to ditch all your favorite holiday dishes, but there are clever swaps to lighten things up without sacrificing flavor. By making a few simple changes, you can enjoy the festive season without the guilt. For example, try cauliflower mash instead of mashed potatoes. This swap is not only lower in calories, but also packed with nutrients. It's creamy, delicious, and pairs perfectly with your holiday roast. Craving dessert? Opt for something lighter and fruit-based, like berries with Greek yogurt or baked apples with honey and walnuts. These options satisfy your sweet tooth while providing essential vitamins and minerals. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body while still enjoying the flavors of the season. You can still have a festive and satisfying meal without overindulging. Have a plan before you head to holiday parties or potlucks. Think about what healthy dishes you can bring or what swaps you can make. This way, you can ensure there are options that align with your health goals. You might even inspire others to make healthier choices without even realizing it. Sharing your healthy dishes can start a conversation and encourage others to think about their own food choices. So, this holiday season, let's make it a point to enjoy our meals mindfully and healthily. Chapter 4: Festive Fitness Fun. Tip number 4 is all about keeping active during the holiday season. Staying active doesn't have to mean hours at the gym. Incorporate fun, festive activities that get everyone moving, like a family dance party or a post-meal walk. Remember those childhood snowball fights? Time to bring them back. The key is to find ways to incorporate movement into your daily routine without making it feel like a chore. And remember, every little bit counts. Chapter 5: Be mindful of holiday cheer. Tip number 5 is all about being mindful of our alcohol intake. Holiday drinks can be loaded with sugar and empty calories. Try alternating alcoholic drinks with non-alcoholic options like water or sparkling water with lime. Be mindful of your choices and opt for lighter cocktails if you're watching your sugar intake. It's okay to say no thank you if you're not feeling up for another drink. Your health and well-being are more important than any social pressure. Enjoy the festive cheer in moderation. Chapter 6: Make time for rest. Tip number 6 is all about prioritizing sleep during the holiday season. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies produce more cortisol, leading to increased cravings and decreased energy levels. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule as much as possible. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Consider investing in blackout curtains or a white noise machine. Rest is crucial for both our physical and mental health. Tip number 7 is a game changer for holiday parties. Never arrive at a party hungry. When you're starving, everything looks delicious, and you're more likely to overeat. Have a healthy snack that combines protein and fiber before heading out. Some go-to pre-party snacks include almonds with fruit, Greek yogurt with berries, or whole grain crackers with hummus. These snacks are portable, easy to prepare, and provide a good balance of nutrients. By having a little something nutritious beforehand, you'll be able to enjoy those holiday parties without the guilt. Chapter 8: Don't let stress steal your joy. The holiday season can be a time of stress with endless to-do lists and family gatherings. Tip number 8 is all about managing holiday stress. Prioritize self-care and make time for activities that bring you joy. Deep breathing can quickly calm your nervous system. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times to reduce stress. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Chapter 9: Focus on connections, not just calories. Tip number 9 is a reminder to shift our focus during the holidays. The holidays are about spending quality time with family and friends, sharing laughter, stories, and traditions. Put down your phones and engage in meaningful conversations. Plan activities that don't revolve around food, like a family game night or a walk in the park. Volunteer at a local charity or watch a classic holiday movie together. The true magic of the holidays lies in shared moments of joy and connection. Let's cherish those moments and create lasting memories. Chapter 10: Enjoy the festive feast, in moderation. Tip number 10: Enjoy the festive feast, but remember, moderation is key. The holidays are a time for celebration, and it's okay to indulge in your favorite treats. Find a balance that works for you and savor those special treats in moderation. Listen to your body and eat when you're truly hungry. Practice portion control and don't feel obligated to finish everything on your plate. If you overindulge, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track with your next meal. Tomorrow is a new day. Here's to a healthy and happy holiday season. There you have it. 10 simple tips to help you stay healthy and avoid weight gain this festive season. Remember, it's all about balance and enjoying the holidays without compromising your health. By incorporating these tips into your festive routine, you can savor all the deliciousness and merriment without the guilt. Enjoy those holiday parties, indulge in your favorite treats in moderation, and cherish the time spent with loved ones. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Subscribe, like, and comment on our channel Cal Wayne Health TV. Happy holidays, everyone, and here's to a healthy, joyful, and delicious season.